It's an all-out collapse, ladies and gentlemen, exactly as the Don predicted. I told you that Bitcoin was potentially going to retest 20 and even possibly 12,000. All of these moon boys told you 100K, 200K, 500K, $1,000,000 per coin. The Don said, nah, little Jimmy, and your $600 stimmy. And the Don went short at 27,000. Let's get this crypto. Clear-cut stuff here, folks. Clear-cut stuff. And where we find ourselves now is a very, very sticky situation. Because if we drop below 20,000, I think we could possibly capitulate again. We'll discuss this. And right now, the Moon Boys, they're still hoping. They still have hope, and it worries me. We need to look at the Wall Street cheat sheet psychology of a market cycle as well, because it worries me. Crazy introduction here today, folks, but whatever it is, let's not waste any time and get right down to it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you can't say I didn't tell you so, because if you are subscribed to this channel, then you would know that realistically, what has it been? I mean, I'm asking you, the viewer, what has it been? Weeks or months since I've been saying that if we retest this level at 28K and we drop, it's probably going to be a swift and utter move down to 20,000. Well, there it is. We got it. Here we are at the time of recording, 20,156. Let's get this crypto. Uncle George, you hear me? 100,000 you said, right? Average Joe, 200K you said. Little Jimmy, 500K you said. Every degenerate and his sycophantic brother under the sun said that Bitcoin was running into the six-figure range on this bull run. But what I told you, ladies and gentlemen, here on this channel is that I believe that Bitcoin was going to go down to 20,000, possibly even down towards 12,000. Well, target number one was hit. Let's get this crypto. The unfortunate thing is that, you know, when you call downside targets, you don't see an influx of followers, right? There's no influx of subscribers here because I was right the whole time. You know what gets the subscribers, ladies and gentlemen? A hope and a dream for a moonshot and a Lamborghini. Let's get this crypto. You just pump this BS narrative that Bitcoin's going to a 500,000, $1 million, whatever it is. Pick a number out of a hat, whatever it is. And that's what works on YouTube. But for me, as someone that's been right time and time and time again, vindicated by this move here in the market, vindicated, shout out to my VIPs, by my short on Bitcoin at 27,000 plus. Let's get this crypto. Absolute vindication. Think I get any increase in subs, ladies and gentlemen? You think anybody likes to acknowledge that the downside call was correct? Nah. They'll just come back and FOMO into the next cycle and lose everything again, right? That's how it works in crypto for degenerates. For me, for somebody that's been in this space throughout cycle after cycle after cycle, somebody that's been up the mountain, down the mountain, and everywhere in between, and who has also wined and dined with kings and queens and slept in alleys and dined on pork and beans. Really, little Jimmy, you think I'm going to come on here and post a video telling you that Bitcoin's going to 1 million because it gets clicks? You know me better than that. I told you that Bitcoin was going to 20,000. That was my honest speculation. Of course, it could have been wrong at the time, but it wasn't. And now I'm saying that the next target, if we drop below 20,000, in my opinion, is 12,000. You can chirp at me again like a little bird, little Jimmy, but the fact of the matter is that the Don has been right day in and day out, and you know it. Let's get this crypto. I'm fired up, and I'm on a new level here today, folks. So if you haven't already, hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Hit it right now, and if you're brand new, subscribe, tick the little bell, and select all, as you do not want to miss any more of these important Bitcoin updates. Welcome to the channel. Sheesh. Where do we even go from here? You know what? Let me just finish off with this psychological rant for a moment. I told you several weeks ago, maybe it was just even 1 week ago, ladies and gentlemen, that it was starting to even feel embarrassing to me to be a part of the crypto space. Mind you, someone that's been here forever and a day. It starts to feel embarrassing because that's when you know you're at the top of a bubble. Because, for example, say you meet somebody new, right? Back in the day, it used to be cool to say, yeah, I'm an early investor in cryptocurrency. They say, what's cryptocurrency? What's Bitcoin? Explain, please. Send me an email. Now you say that you're involved in crypto? You get looked at sideways like you're just a complete numbskull degenerate, a nitwit. Like really, bro? You're into crypto? That's when you know you're near the top of a bubble. I mean, it's not only that. There, of course, this is a technical analysis channel. There's been many signs on a technical level suggesting that we could be at the top, but just on a person-to-person level, it gets embarrassing to even talk about crypto when you're at these levels because everybody and their brother is in crypto, right? The mailman's in crypto. The guy that works at the corner store is in crypto. The pizza delivery boy is in crypto. Here, sir, here's your pizza. And hey, did you know that I bought a monkey JPEG NFT? Let's get this crypto. Just sick degeneracy, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, when I just even talk about it like that, is it not obvious where we were? It's just crazy to feel like I was one of the only people talking about this. Isn't that crazy? I mean, if you're a longtime subscriber, it's not crazy to you. You understand. That's why you've been subscribed to this channel for so long. But I guess when you're new in this market, and like I said the other day on my prior stream, to me, I see this market very black and white. I see it for what it is. It's hype and momentum. You buy when there's hype. You buy when there's momentum. And when the momentum shifts to the downside, that's when the shorting begins. That's when the selling begins. And it's not until the hype cycle starts again in the other direction that this comes back. And right now, with all of the global uncertainty surrounding economics, health, war, you name it, you think this is a good time for Bitcoin, right? It's a hedge against inflation, Kirby. Trust me, Kirby, I'm not holding any US dollars. Unbelievable, right? If you bought Bitcoin as an inflation hedge at the top, you're down about 70%. Well, Kirby, no one actually bought the top. No one bought the actual top, Kirby, yet. Okay, let's put you in the middle then, you sycophantic degen. What are you down, 50%? Well, Kirby, I actually bought the support level that we tested not once, not twice, but 3 times. All right, you bought the support level. What are you down, 40%? What are you down, 30%? Let's get this crypto. I'm tired, ladies and gentlemen, of this. I'm tired of that narrative. You understand? And let's just discuss how crazy and cult-like these moon boys get when somebody with deep pockets actually gets involved with Bitcoin. Take Michael Saylor, for example, ladies and gentlemen, the CEO of MicroStrategy, which if you are subscribed to this channel and have been following for quite some time, you would know that on yesterday's stream, I pointed out that MicroStrategy is actually going to see a possible margin call under $21,000 Bitcoin, which we are at right now at the time of recording. Ladies and gentlemen, these moon boys were eating this up that Michael Saylor was buying. The floor is set at 30K because Michael Saylor bought in. Ladies and gentlemen, newsflash. Just because some deep-pocketed degenerate buys in at 30K does not mean the bottom is in at 30K. Let's get this crypto. I just don't think these people have been in the space long enough, ladies and gentlemen. But they get caught up in the cult mentality. The church of MicroStrategy. They come a knocking at your door. Hello, sir. I'm from the church of MicroStrategy. Do you accept our Lord and Savior, Michael Saylor? Hell no, I don't, little Jimmy. Get the hell off my porch. Let's get this crypto. Ha ha ha! Ladies and gentlemen, the Don does not stand for this type of degeneracy. Here on this channel, we look at the realistic data inside the chart. That's it and that's all. Now, I showed you guys this on yesterday's stream, that Celsius, it's a crypto lending platform. Right now, they are in hot water, in my opinion, okay? They have a possible 23,900 Bitcoin that are up for liquidation If the Bitcoin price drops below 16,852 at the time of recording per this article. Now, I have seen some posts on social media suggesting that they have added some collateral to their loan, right? Which means it brings down this value. So it may not be 16,852 anymore. I've been seeing, I can't say for certain because it's changing. It may be somewhere more so down below 15,000 at the time of recording. But either way, if Bitcoin continues to drop here, it's not only Celsius that's at risk for a possible massive liquidity crisis that could essentially drop almost 24,000 spot Bitcoin onto the market at once, but we have MicroStrategy here as well. You all know Michael Saylor, right? Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy. They have a ton of Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen, over 100,000 Bitcoin. And right now, they are essentially at risk here for a margin call with Bitcoin below 21,000. Let's get this crypto. We're below 21,000 right now at the time of recording. You just have to understand here, folks, that there are a ton of things inside this market right now that may, whether or not MicroStrategy and Saylor get put in a tough spot due to this drop, it doesn't really matter. Okay, here we go. Deep dive on thinking like somebody who's thinking one step ahead of everybody else in this market. It's not about what actually happens with MicroStrategy and Michael Saylor here. It's about what traders and speculators perceive is happening here with MicroStrategy and Saylor. We may see panic in this market because everybody and their degenerate brother know that underneath 21,000, Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy are being margin called and having to add more liquidity, more capital, or more, in this case, more Bitcoin to their loan to get that price down. Okay, because right now their loan to value ratio is underwater on the terms that they accepted. Okay, under 21,000. So they say that they have more Bitcoins in their vault that they can just put in there and take care of it because their loan is backed by Bitcoin in the first place. They can add more Bitcoin as collateral to get that loan to value ratio higher. Let's get this crypto. But it's really, what's the effect that this is going to have on your regular mom and pop retail investor? And by mom and pop, that's a nice way of putting it. What about little Jimmy? Oh, Kirby, my Lord and Savior, Michael Saylor. I mean, we don't even have to discuss technical indicators or anything right here now, ladies and gentlemen. To me, it's very possible that we're going to see panic enter this market below 20,000, as I believe a second trapdoor could open. I've explained this on my prior streams that this was trapdoor number one right here. We dropped below it. You saw that the Don was right again. How many times does the Don have to be right? I don't know. Don was right again here. And now that we're at my target number one, I believe, folks, it's possible that either, let's put it this way. If we consolidate here and find support and then lose it, I think we could drop down towards 12,000. If we bounce here and drop back down to it, then I think we could go to 12,000. We could even possibly go to 12,000 right here, right now, just dropping through like a straight line down, hot knife through butter type scenario. This is absolutely absurd. But in my opinion, it was to be expected, right? If you're subscribed to this channel and if you're a member of my VIP, you think this was random to go short on Bitcoin at 27,000? Absolutely not. Not in the least. This was one of the most clear-cut trade setups we've seen all year, maybe over the past several years. Possible massive macro bear flag to the downside, coupled with rising inflation, coupled with the fact that the U.S. Federal Reserve may be raising interest rates on Wednesday, coupled with the fact that we had a multi-year range of support that was being broken and a clear-cut target towards down by 20,000, can barely even speak. Let's get this crypto. The Dawn struck gold again. Ladies and gentlemen, As you can probably tell, a lack of sleep does wonders for my sense of humor. I mean, I guess depending upon how you look at it. Let's get this crypto. But right now, I'm glued to these charts, right? The market never sleeps, so neither does the Don. Let's get this crypto. I like that one. Tell me if you like that one down in the comment section. Let's get this crypto. But right now, ladies and gentlemen, I see potential opportunity on the horizon. And if you are not already in my VIP, you've seen my work here with the short down at 27,000. Uncle George told you 100 plus. Uncle Don told you that we could go down to 20 or 12. Well, here we are at 20, possibly even going down by 12. That's yet to be seen. But ladies and gentlemen, if you've been missing out on all of my real-time trade setup ideas and real-time trade alerts in VIP, I mean, there's no excuse, right? If there were ever a time to become a VIP, in my opinion, that time is now. The market is in absolute turmoil. As I said, there may even be more turmoil due to the Celsius FUD and the MicroStrategy FUD. It's possible that whales even target these son of a guns, ladies and gentlemen. You understand here? It's possible that whales target these sons of a guns. Let's get this crypto. Unbelievable. Nobody likes to talk about this stuff. I mean, I even dance around talking about it. You understand, ladies and gentlemen? There's depths to this. There's levels to this ish. Let's get this crypto. All right. So if you're not already in my VIP and you'd like to see how I'm planning and strategizing to potentially crush this next market move like a 2-ton man on a tuna fish can, then today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into Savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Do not miss any more of my real-time trade setup ideas and alerts. Let's get this crypto. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I do have to get back to the most must be a part of VIP group in crypto. I will be getting back to my VIPs right now. I need to get my head back in these charts. I can't speak to a computer screen all day. Have to cater to my VIP as well, right? So if you did enjoy here today, the real talk, the mano y mano here, give this video a thumbs up for the algorithm. Thanks for the thumbs up. If you're brand new, welcome to the most must-see and most realistic Bitcoin analysis show on YouTube, period. Make sure you subscribe, tick the little bell, and select all. That will give you the notification next time I upload. And ladies and gentlemen, these Moon Boys, they called for 100K. The Don said 20 to 12, shorted at 27,000. Let's get this crypto. The Don struck gold again. On that note, I'll see you all in VIP right now after this video. Don't miss my next trade setup idea and alert, ladies and gentlemen. Sheesh, wow. Absolutely potentially life-changing trade setup ideas ahead here, in my opinion. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. And until next time, the Don has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
Material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell/long or short any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments. Nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto Kirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto Kirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. CryptoKirby may have an interest in the securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and/or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. CryptoKirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. CryptoKirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.